This is all rubber.
Yeah, this is actually we have companies that send us what they call buffings, and it's just off of black tires. When they buff a tire, this is what comes off, so they get ready to recap.
It looks like sawdust, sir.
Kind of. So when we get an excess amount of it, because we're contracted with to receive so much, we can run it through our system and use it in our matting.
Nice.
Most of the time, this is ground up for our playgrounds, or black matting.
Pretty cool.
Kyron Lewis, production supervisor for Ultimate RB. There's a lot of growth potential if you want to stick around. Because these places aren't going anywhere because everybody still needs the product. Even if it's an entry-level job that you're getting to get your feet wet until you figure out what you're doing in your life, this is a good place to start.
My name is Mike Simpson. I'm the EHS COS manager at Carlisle Construction Materials Ultimate RB in McMinnville. This is a fantastic industry. Manufacturing is not what it used to be. It's really come a long way, and it's not the dirty job that some people think it is.
Rachel Smith. I am the materials and scheduler. Been with Ultimate RB for about 16 years. From 18, instead of doing all these odd jobs, I should have picked something that I know I can move up and forward in.
If you can get into a workforce that pays for your education, it's great. It's helpful. That's what I worked up through with Carlisle. They helped me get an education and become plant manager here through starting out with really just graduating from high school and nearly nothing. So the company's helped me grow and come up through the ranks that way.
For more information about a career with Ultimate RB, a Carlisle company, visit ultimaterb.com.